Ooh, there's a nice fish. Yep, 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 yep.
Alright guys, my name's Ryan, and I'm going fishing. It's the weekend after opening weekend of trout season here in Michigan, and it's a beautiful day up here in northern Michigan. 75 degrees, partly sunny, just gorgeous. This place I'm at right now is the second place that I stopped at, and the first place with no cars, so that's where we're going today. I'm pretty excited to be out. We're chasing brown trout, of course, and fingers crossed, maybe a steelhead or two would be awesome. I haven't done really well on steelhead this year, haven't had many opportunities, so a couple more would be great. And yeah, we're going to be throwing number 1 and number 2 Blue Fox Gold spinners today, number 1 and number 2 Gold MEP spinners today, and maybe a Rapala J7 crankbait. And of course I'm using my 5.5 foot Falcon, 6-pound test, and a 1000 Daiwa Regal, which I think is one of the best inexpensive reels that you can buy. So yeah, fingers crossed, and here we go. Alright, the water today is very low, very clear. You can see from that far bank over there that the water is well below the high water line. Rainbow just rose right there. And as I said, today I'm using my Daiwa Regal 1000 6-pound mono 5.5 foot Falcon ultralight. First fish of the day, I'm guessing a little rainbow. Nope, little brown trout. Little guy. There he is. First fish of the day. Thanks, bud. Caught him right out of the middle of the stream. Rocky bottom, some big boulders in there, and that's where he was. Cannot buy a fish. Oh, there's a fish. Finally. Oh my gosh, we've been working hard. We've been working hard for him today. It's a nice fish too. Hey, buddy. Yes, sir. Been working hard today for you. Come here. Thank you. Thank you. Man. First brown of the day, or no, second brown of the day, and it's a dandy too. Beautiful fish. Oh, oh. And we're going to quick release him. Thank you. Been working hard. I don't know if he was sitting there, if he came out after it. I didn't see him till he ate. Right off of the end of that brush right there, there's some more debris in the water, and somewhere in there, I don't know, again, I don't know if he came out or if he was just sitting there waiting for some food. Man, it's nice to catch a nice fish though. Alright, it has taken a while, but I'm finally seeing some fish. I mean, we caught that 1, 2 actually. There goes some deer running through the woods. And it's just taken forever to get into fish. Oh, there he is. Just what I said. It's taken a long time, but I finally hit a stretch where there's some fish. This is a beautiful brown trout. Beautiful. Super golden dark. Look at you. Taking a long time to get to fish. Beautiful trout. Wow. Look at you. Come here, buddy. Head up. Thank you. Wow, what a pretty fish. Let's get the hand wet. Always get the hand wet when you handle trout. That'll just pop right off too. Just a beaut of a fish. Look at that guy. Hold on now. Let's get a picture. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Look at that, dude. Beautiful brown trout. Yes, sir. All right, all right. Thank you. There he goes. Beautiful fish. As I was saying, it's just taken a long time to get into fish, and that leads me to believe somebody fished this earlier and turned around, hopefully, in this vicinity. And now we're going to start to see some better fish. That's my third fish of the day. I did kick up a big one when I was walking, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. Oh, shit. Freaking wind. Better. Ooh, there's a nice fish. Yep. 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 That was fun. That was fun. Hi, buddy. Thank you. Dang, explosive. Get that hand wet. Beautiful brown, dang. I think he wrapped himself up in the net pretty good. Let's see. Let's get him out of there. Hold on. We'll get you on your way here in just a moment. There we go. I know it. There we go. Best of the day right there. Look at you, buddy. Beaut. Dang. Let's let him get on his way. There he goes. Thank you. Wow. That was fun. There's a fish. Get out of those branches. Nice. Oh, stretch for the water. There we go. There we go. Fish number 4, I think. See you, buddy. Is that it? Big fish. Big fish. Oh. Dang it. Yeah, that's how you go. I didn't cheat my lure.
Oh, he did eat it. I saw him, and I wasn't sure. I thought I hung up the bottom and I missed him, but I didn't. Sweet. That's awesome. Nice fish. He did eat it. Hi, buddy. Thank you. You ate it good, though. We're gonna have to do a little surgery to make sure you swim away okay. Oh no, you just broadsided it. That's okay. This might be the best one of the day. Oh, hold on. I just want a picture. There we go. Beautiful fish. Beautiful gold. Let him go on this side. Thank you. Right into the log he goes. So that fish come out of this pool right here, right up onto the rocks, and I thought I hung up on the rocks because I saw him on it, but obviously it wasn't the rock. He ate it. That was all right. He's on it. Eat it. Oh, he did. Oh my gosh, that was the fish of the day. 20-incher, easy. I saw him. He was in the hole on that fence, or on that down tree, and he come out onto the shallow rocks right there, and I saw him, just a black ghost, and god dang it, and he just nipped it. That was a big fish. Dang it. Big trout. Dang. Dang it. That would have been a heck of a fish to finish on. Man, that stinks. Turn a big fish like that, get him to eat, just not get a solid hookup. Dang it. That's tough. And those of you who don't know what a bed looks like, that's a bed. And here's how you can tell. The river bottom would be smooth, kind of on a plane right here, and this is dug out. It's dug out. All this is what they call polished gravel, because it's just all clean compared to the rest of the gravel. So a steelhead this time of year comes in here, female, and she turns sideways and she fans and fans and fans and fans with her tail and makes what's called a bed or a reed, and then she lays her eggs. And then the male steelhead come up, they fertilize the eggs, and then they run back to the Great Lakes, leaving baby steelhead to find their way out to the Great Lakes and then return to this area and spawn as well. Now, most of the steelhead in this river are plants, so it's not like they're native. They plant them and they go out and they come back and go out and come back and spawn. But anyway, that's what a bed or a reed looks like. There's another swing. No fish though, no hookup. Oh, yep, there's a hookup with a big fish. Oh, oh my gosh. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Heartbreaker. Heartbreaker.
Alright guys, made it back to the truck. First of all, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd smash the like button and subscribe. I put out content regularly, so hopefully you liked it and you'll come along with me on most of my outings. As for the fishing, it was tough for an hour. I mean, I didn't see a fish, turn a fish, catch a fish, nothing for an hour. And then I got into what I'm assuming was fresher water. Whoever fished this probably stopped, and all of a sudden I started turning fish, catching fish, and I missed 2 20-inchers or so, roughly right around there. You know, had them on for a brief second and then gone. Absolute heartbreakers when you lose a fish like that, but what can you do? That's the nature of fishing, right? So anyway, like I said, I'm going to put out content regularly. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Be good to one another. We'll see you next time.